Hi everyone, welcome to Travel Tuesday. Thanks for stopping by. This week we're going to be talking about medical questionnaires. A very important topic, something we get a lot of questions about at our office. So we're here to clear some of that up for you today. So some of our most common questions: why do I have to fill out a medical questionnaire? If I had a condition but no longer have it, do I still have to answer yes to questions regarding that condition on the application? What happens if my condition isn't asked about? What do I do if I don't know an answer to a question? And what happens if my answers aren't correct? These are all great questions. So first of all, everyone must apply. Providing medical information is necessary for everyone when purchasing insurance. Even those who are young enough to not have to fill out an entire medical questionnaire are still subject to meeting eligibility requirements in order to be eligible to purchase the insurance, period. So this is all part of the underwriting process. The insurance companies, they do take data based on research and past claims, and they use this information to underwrite all of the products. So they determine and assign certain risks based on certain medical conditions, age brackets, length of trip. Obviously, the longer you go away, the more likely it is that you are going to have to claim. Therefore, it's more expensive. So this data changes on a yearly basis. Therefore, applications also do change on a yearly basis as well. We get a lot of questions as to why do I have to fill out a new application every year? Well, hopefully this clears this up a little bit. So it's important that everyone fills out the application to determine the rate schedule to follow and the premium to be paid. So next, read the questions twice. So reading the questions more than once is important. There might be something you missed the first time around. So you want to avoid critical errors by making sure you completely understand what is being asked before providing an answer. You want to pay special attention to time periods asked within each question. For example, perhaps you had a kidney stone a year ago but have had no problems, no further treatment since. The question might ask if you've had any diagnosis or treatment for a kidney stone in the past 2 years. Your answer does have to be yes to this until you've reached outside of that time period. You may have a medical condition that's not even asked about on the application anywhere. In this case, you don't have to disclose it anywhere. However, if you do want to be covered for that condition, you have to meet your pre-existing stability period prior to traveling. And that's something we did touch on last week. So that pre-existing stability period applies to all medical conditions, whether they are asked about or listed on the application or not. So next, ask for help. If you don't know the answers to the medical questions, you want to consult your medical history. Please do not guess on the application. You do have the right to know what's in your medical records. You also have the right to ask about it. So your doctor is the only one who will be able to answer questions regarding what appears in these files. So if you need help, please seek it. Make an appointment, put a phone call in, ask your doctor. If you have questions regarding the dates of changes in medication, things like this, we found that your pharmacist can be a great resource for this information. So regardless, your agent won't be able to access your medical files. There are very tight privacy laws in Canada that do prohibit this, so be sure that you're seeking information from the right source. Lastly, be confident. We want you to be completely confident in your answers so that you don't spend your vacation worrying over your coverage. Let's face it, you've worked hard to take this vacation. You have to enjoy it as well. Wrong answers do have terrible consequences if you do have to claim. If you haven't rated yourself in the proper category, your claim's going to be denied, your policy is going to be null and void, and your premium will be returned. And, the entire purpose of insurance is to provide peace of mind, knowing that if an emergency occurs, you're not going to be dealing with a financial catastrophe. So ask questions, be prepared, and travel with confidence. And know before you go. Thank you so much again for stopping by. Again, we're the Travel Insurance Office Incorporated. We've been insuring traveling Canadians since 1991. We have competitive rates, great coverage. You can check us out online at travelinsuranceoffice.com or by phone at that toll-free number listed on your screen. Have a wonderful week, and I look forward to talking to you again next week.